29 forecast.
All right, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is additional rainfall. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. So we have one round of rain moving through right now. A more widespread, longer lasting, colder rain will arrive in time for Friday with a severe weather risk nearby. Details on that in a moment. First things first, that first forecast for this Thursday. Temperatures well above freezing. We're in the 50s through about mid-morning with rain showers through 9 a.m. and then thereafter the rain's gone. So it's a wet start but a drier finish. And despite the clouds lingering, we're still going to warm up through the 60s and the lower 70s, mid to upper 60s over the Shenandoah Valley, upper 60s and low 70s into central Virginia with cloudy skies. Now we're going to cool on off through the 40s overnight and stay there tomorrow. Waking up to numbers in the low to mid 50s, a uniform air mass. We're in the low 50s in Orange, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg and Stanton. And as promised, I guaranteed it would be raining by this time this morning, as I talked about yesterday, and sure enough, there it is. We're seeing light rain over Albemarle County, Charlottesville, Route 29 corridor. There's what it looks like on the radar. There's the ground truth showing the wet conditions along Route 29 and Airport Road near the Hollymead area. Watching the wet conditions for the next few hours. I-81, there's Stanton to Harrisonburg into areas of Fishersville and Waynesboro, a wet start. We had a thunderstorm around 3 o'clock this morning into southern Augusta County, and now that has since dissipated. And we're watching light rain from Culpeper into Orange, Louisa, Fluvanna, and a steadier rain shower down into Buckingham County. But the heaviest rainfall is to the south, already watching the drying trend back to the west, so the rain will begin to shut off by mid-morning. Already watching the next significant storm system producing rain into Texas and snow in the Four Corners region. These two will combine their forces and produce a severe weather outbreak into this evening into the Arklatex region of northeast Texas into Arkansas, Louisiana, and Oklahoma. Now, the severe weather risk tomorrow is just 2 hours southwest, so near Roanoke Valley, New River Valley, south and west. That's the corridor most favored to see severe weather. So we're going to have just a general thunderstorm chance for Friday evening. So there goes the rain today. Here's noon, drying trend. Clouds will be left behind. A dry overnight, and then already watching the rain arrive again by daybreak on Friday. A cold rain at that with temperatures in the 40s. And look what happens on Friday evening. Some downpours, even a rumble of thunder cannot be ruled out. And then just in time for the weekend, the weather will improve with sunshine returning, a brisk breeze on Saturday with highs in the 50s and 60s and lows back in the 30s going into most of the weekend. So your forecast for today, the rain will exit this morning, staying mild with highs in the mid 60s to the lower 70s under a cloudy sky. Overnight, steady temperatures in the 40s. Rain arrives by daybreak, so a rainy Friday. Temperatures stuck in the 40s with an evening downpour or thunderstorm. And we'll have about a ½ to 1.5 inches of new rainfall with the system on Friday. Not expecting flooding or severe weather here at home, but the severe weather will be nearby, so we'll watch that. But by the weekend, improving conditions, upper 50s and low 60s both days, and lows back in the chilly 30s.